question, we have to answer whether the given statements are true or false, and also we have to give reason for our answers. The first statement says, line segment joining the center to any point on the circle is the radius of the circle. Suppose this is a circle with center O, then any line segment joining the center of the circle and any point on the circle, we know that this is called the radius. Hence, answer to the first part is true, and the reason is since all the points on the circle are equidistant from the center. Therefore, the first statement is true that the line segment joining the center to any point on the circle is the radius. Now let's proceed on to the second part. It says, a circle has only finite number of equal chords. Now, in this circle we know that there are infinite number of points. Let us suppose 2 points. On joining these 2 points we get a chord. Similarly, we can take 2 more points such that on joining these 2 points we get a chord equal to the previous chord. In the similar manner, we can find infinite number of points on this circle such that we can draw infinite number of equal chords. Therefore, answer to the second part is false, and the reason is since there are infinite number of points, therefore on selecting any 2 points we can draw a chord, and in such a manner we can draw infinite number of equal chords. Now proceeding on to the third part. It says, if a circle is divided into 3 equal arcs, each arc is a major arc. Now, if we divide this circle into 3 arcs, suppose this is the first arc, this one is the second arc, and this one is the third arc, then it says each arc is a major arc. Now we see that this is not a major arc. For each arc, the remaining arc acts as a major arc. Therefore, this is also a false statement, since if we consider this arc, then the remaining arc is the major arc. Hence the answer is false, since for each arc the remaining arc will be the greater arc. Now proceeding on to the fourth part. It says, a chord of a circle which is twice as long as its radius is the diameter of the circle. This is a true statement, since we know that diameter is twice the radius. Since radius is a line segment which joins the center of the circle to any point on the circle, and diameter is a line segment joining 2 points of a circle such that it passes through the center. Therefore, diameter is twice the radius. Proceeding on to the Fifth part. It says sector is the region between the chord and its corresponding arc. Now this is also a false statement since a sector is a region. Let us draw a circle to understand first what is a sector. Suppose this is the center of the circle. And we have 2 radius, then this is called the sector of a circle. And if we have a chord, that is a line segment joining any 2 points of the circle, then this region is called the segment of the circle. Since segment of a circle is the region between the chord and the corresponding arc, therefore this is not a sector, this is a definition of the segment, therefore the given statement is false. Since segment is the region between the chord and its corresponding arc. This completes the fifth part. Now proceeding on to the last part, it says a circle is a plane figure. So this is a true statement. And the reason is, since the circle lies on the plane, therefore it is a plane figure. Since a circle is a part of the plane. So this completes the sixth part also.